Karan Patel is one of the superstars of television. The actor rose to fame with his performance as Raman in Ye Hai Mohabbatein and became a household name. The television soap won many heart of the audience for the 6 years before it went off air. The show received a lot of love and positive response from the audiences. Post the show going off air, Karan was seen in the adventure reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi, where he faces all the fears and performed the task exceptionally well. Now, Karan recently shared a post where he is seen warning a social media user who said something about his family member on their post. He said that the user is a woman who has fallen too low and has spoken ill about another woman, and that she is disgrace to women on this earth. Karan also said that this is a final warning, and if once again she mentions anyone from his family in their disgusting post, he will make sure that the user will deal strict legal action and will repent for the disgusting human that they are. Well, social media has become a curse and a boon for celebrities, where on one side they deal with the love and aspiration they get from their fans, while on the other hand, there are users who troll the celebrities, sometimes drag their families and speak nonsense just because it's an open forum. No one can come out and write and share anything. It's high time there be a cyber checking for such posts where someone's family is being pulled into a post or controversy. These sites need to be streamlined by the cyber cells, and strict punishment should be out for those who cross their limits on social media. For more news and updates from the world of television and Bollywood, stay tuned to telechakka.com.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.